Ang Banaba po talaga malaking pakinabang po sa community po namin.
Tulad ng tsa,
Pang herbal medicine po, ganun.
yung balat, yung dahon, para sa mga karamdaman, katulad ng mga pagtatay ubo.
Maraming talaga yan na banaba. Pinanggagamot namin at saka kung binibenta po namin para po sa pagkain namin.
alagaan natin yan ay pagkakakitaan natin sa bandang huli.
Yung puno ng pili, madami talaga siyang usage.
Yung paggawa ng oil, no? Out of pili.
Mayroong pang massage. Yung mga shell naman, charcoal. Sa amin sa Bicol, talagang kilala ang pili bilang isang alternatibong hanap buhay ng mga tao.
Kasi nung bata pa po ako, doon ko nalaman na ginagamot nila sa amin yun ng mga magulang namin. Kahit na ang magulang namin, umiinom din ng ganun, yung banaba.
Maliit pa kami, na namin yung talaga ng pili. Kasi dito sa amin sa Bicol, talagang kilala ang pili bilang isang alternatibong hanap buhay ng mga tao.
Ang banaba ay kaagapay ng aming pamilya sa mga iba't ibang uri ng sakit na aming nalalaman. Yung bunga ng banaba ay nilalaga namin para sa kidney infection. Yung dahon niya ay para sa inumin dahil talaga naman na ang pinakakapi ng mga aita dito sa kabundukan ay banaba. Ayun ang nakita ko at nalaman ko na isinalin sa akin ng aking mga ninuno.
Traditionally, ginagamit yung pili, fire starter. Ginagamit din siyang caulking material para sa boats. Yung pili pulp oil, matagal na yung ginagamit, panggamot. Later on, na-discover na pwede siya sa cosmetics. So, yun ang primary na ginagamit namin.
For the research in the terms of yung field ng pharmaceutical and other industrial applications, which may have unique genetic characteristics that can be used to develop new drugs, cosmetics, and other products that could increase economic opportunities and biodiversity protection specifically for the indigenous people and the local community.
Along with our government, agencies, of course, the academe should guide them through their research, so that would serve as an input for policy on what intervention should be done to avoid exploitations of the genetic resources.
Private institutions can help by initiating a cycle of sustainability, which will benefit the local communities by generating more livelihood and incentivizing them to protect their resources.
Mismo yung local farmer, pwede natin bigyan ng magandang presyo compared to ibang trader na binabarat sila.
Not only one entity should benefit. So, as a family-owned company, we try our best to keep all the entities satisfied, keep them all benefited, and try to uplift the state of our local community as a whole.
So we advocate po for the continuous dialogue between the IPLCs and the private institutions This dialogue po should be facilitated by a neutral third party po to avoid conflicts of interest within the private sector. So we believe po that the relationship developed by continuous dialogue will foster mutual respect, which paves the way for mutual benefit.
And it also provides a guide for sustainable way of doing business.
Access and benefit sharing, or ABS, is fundamental in promoting the sustainable use of biodiversity, driving conservation efforts, and delivering economic benefits to indigenous peoples and local communities. The Bureau's commitment through the ABS project will focus on ABS's vital role in achieving sustainable development goals, protecting biodiversity, and enhancing local economies.
So, when we talk about ABS, ABS is not done in isolation. It works within the larger sustainable development framework. So the implementation of the Access Benefit Sharing project under the Nagoya Protocol aligns with the Philippines' commitment to the Global Biodiversity Framework, which aims to share benefits from genetic resources fairly and equitably with indigenous people and local communities.
The success of the ABS project is, of course, the success of our country in mainstreaming and fulfilling the rights and welfare needs of the indigenous cultural communities.
It will also recognize, respect, protect, and promote customary law and indigenous knowledge and practices system on access to genetic resources.
More than just viewing ABS as a policy, it is crucial to foster researchers' appreciation of access and benefit sharing with resource providers as a form of social justice.
Furthermore, success is defined by sustainable utilization of our rich biodiversity, which supports both conservation and economic growth.
Nakikilala din yung mga katutubo na mayroon silang partisipasyon.
Na hindi na lang basta-basta kukunin sa amin, bibilihin, pagkatapos wala nang balik. No?
Importante yung kaalaman doon sa paano ginagamit ng komunidad, yung kanilang sariling yaman.
Kayo lang yung nagmulat sa amin na mayroon palang mga proyekto na kailangan na mayroong equal o pantay na bahagi, anumang benepisyo ito na makukuha.
All the parties involved in the value chain will be benefited, from the farmers, processors, and to end consumers.
Not just in the aspects of marketability, not just in the aspects of profits, but we also have to consider the sustainability of the environment.
Siyempre yung partnership may hangganan. Pero yung maiiwan na aral, benepisyo, hindi lang sa usapin ng financial, kung hindi yung aral at yung makukuha naming mga idea, lalo na sa proseso, mananatili ito sa amin at patuloy namin maisa sa buhay at maipapractice at mapapaunlad namin na kahit wala na kaming partner, mapapaunlad namin ang usapin patungkol sa banba.